Good afternoon, class. Welcome back to our math class. Again, this is teacher LM and I welcome you all to our class. So to continue our lesson from this morning, let's have a review first. Okay, so this morning we talk about the five senses. Again, everybody, let's read together. I see with my eye, I hear with my ear, I taste with my tongue, I touch with my hand, and I smell with my nose. Okay, so let's practice more about five senses. So fill in the appropriate group with the right word. Let's read first the words here and let's put it into the correct group. Okay? So in the first group, we have see. Second, we have smell. Third, we have hear. Fourth, we have taste. And fifth, we have touch. Let's read the words first and let's put it inside the table. Okay? So everybody read with me. Radio, perfume, gasoline, clouds, chocolate, fur, bird, voice, picture, velvet, flower, apple, feather, photo, spices, pickles, song, smoke, sunset, silk, cheese, bark, cry, soap, satin. Okay, so if you know these words, we will put it here into the correct group. Okay, for example, radio. Radio, it has a sound, so it belongs to hearing. Oops, sorry. Okay, so let's put first, okay, let's put first the, what are the words belongs to sense of sight. Okay, so the first one we have clouds. What else belongs to sense of sight? We have bird. What else? We have picture and photo. And the last one we have sunset. So these words belongs to sense of sight. How about belongs to sense of smell? Okay, so first is perfume. Okay, perfume belongs to sense of smell. Gasoline, flower, smoke, and soap. Okay, so all of these words belongs to sense of smell. Now let's move on to the sense of hearing. So what are the words belong to sense of hearing? First is, okay, as what I've said, radio. Next, voice. Next, song. Next, bark. And the last one is cry. So all of these words belongs to sense of hearing. Now let's move on to the sense of taste. So sense of taste have chocolate, apple, spices, pickles, and cheese. Okay? So sense of touch have fur, velvet, feather, silk, and satin. So we already grouped the words according to its five senses. Okay, again, class, let's read together the words. Sense of sight, we have clouds, bird, picture, photo, and sunset. For the sense of smell, we have perfume, gasoline, flower, smoke, and soap. For the sense of hearing, we have radio, video, song, bark, and cry. For the sense of taste, we have chocolate, apple, spices, pickles, and cheese. For the sense of touch, we have fur, velvet, feather, silk, and satin. Okay, next one. Now, class, let's focus on the sense of touch. Okay, so this afternoon we are going to learn about sense of touch only. Okay, so sense of touch is a spread through the whole body. There are four kinds of touch sensations that can be identified. So there are four types of sensation which are cold, heat, contact, and pain. So these are the sense of the touch sensations that can be identified. Okay, sense of touch. So there is cold, heat, contact, and pain. So there are two layers of the skin also, class. The first one is epidermis. the outside part of the skin. Dermis is the inside part of the skin. So these are the two layers of the skin. So as what you observe here, there is a photo. So this one, for example, this is our skin. So the outside part, it is called the dermis. That is the one that you see from a person, and the dermis is the inside. Okay? So again, everybody, how do you spell epidermis? Epidermis, I spell Epidermis. And dermis, I spell Dermis. All right, so that is the two layers of the skin. Again, epidermis and dermis. Touch, four kinds of touch sensations are cold, heat, contact, and pain. Okay, now let's practice class. So direction, circle the pictures that would feel hard if you touched them, okay? So you are going to encircle the pictures. If you touch, you feel hard on it. And check the pictures that would feel soft if you touch them. So check the pictures if you touch, it's soft, and circle the picture if you touch, it's hard, okay? All right, here, okay, the dog, if you touch the dog, it's soft. Another soft one, it's the sheep. Another is the cat. The, I don't know this animal. Okay, next one is our bear. I mean, it's stuffed toy, and a rabbit and a cat. Now let's move on to the hard pictures. We have the shell, apple, the bowl, the pineapple, it's rough, the bike, the motor, oh, what's this? It's a car, and the book, and the igloo. Okay, so these are the pictures which is which are hard and soft. All right, class, I hope you learned something from this video again about sense of touch. Okay, so don't forget to do your worksheet and your homework. See you again tomorrow. Goodbye, class.